morning, can I help you?
I'm looking for a dress.
Certainly. Which color?
I don't know. Maybe this one.
And what size?
30, please.
We have this beautiful t-shirt sale.
Dress.
How much is it?
22 pounds.
Pounds.
Can I try it on?
Certainly. The dressing room is over there. Come this way, please.
Thanks. I like it. I have it.
22 pounds, please. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.